court has dependent on these materials which were brought on record by the board itself, and as such, you should go into out whether there was any systemic defect in the process or not.
Yes. Now,
But that your argument we have understood that not pleading, you cannot mold the relief also. We want answers to this because Mr. Bhattacharya was stressing on the issue much. That what has happened? Rule 8 not followed. No prior approval of the state government as required under Rule 7. Why that is so?
First, Mr. Bhattacharya should support the judgment with the materials, whatever is there in the judgment. He is not an appellant over here.
I will keep my mouth closed and I will take this point.
No, I would say in the other way, the court is shutting my. Yes. Court is shutting me by saying that you have not asked anything, therefore everything is sacrosanct.
For that and remedy is available, you cannot curse the judge. You are a seasoned counsel, Mr. Doctor.
No, it's a different thing, Miller. No, it's not that. No.
First the state, if you qualify, you apply for 2006.
Yes.
So, date 14 and the subsequent processes, according to Mr. Bhattacharya, could reflect from the records that the state proceeding.
নমস্কার, @রণজিতে আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। 32,000 প্রাথমিক শিক্ষককে যেখানে পাহাড় প্রমাণ দুর্নীতি, সেটা প্রমাণ হওয়া এবং তার বিরুদ্ধে রায় দেওয়া শুধু সময়ের অপেক্ষা। আজকে এজলাসে বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্য ছিল না, কিন্তু না থেকেও পুরো যে সওয়াল জবাব যত সময়, দীর্ঘ সময় পুরো জুড়েই ছিলেন বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্য। প্রথমেই শুনলেন মিস্টার ভট্টাচার্য বলে যাকে সম্বোধন করা হচ্ছে, বলা হচ্ছে, যার কথা এজিও বললেন, কিশোর দত্তও বললেন এবং মাননীয় বিচারপতিদেও বললেন। তো সেখানে সেটা হচ্ছে বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্য। একেবারে নাকানি চোবানি বলবো যে এই সরকারের যে দুর্নীতি, সেগুলো সমস্ত কিছু বেআবরু করেছেন ইনি। এবং মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় খুব সঠিক কারণেই ওনার অপোজিট নাম দিয়েছেন বিনাশ। মানে ওনার বিনাশটা এই বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্যের হাত ধরেই হবে। যেন ওভার বাউন্ডারি হাঁকিয়ে একেবারে মাঠের বাইরে বের করে দিলেন তাদের বল। আপনারা সম্পূর্ণটা শুনুন, সময় নিয়ে একটু শুনবেন এবং শুনলে বুঝতে পারবেন যে পরতে যেভাবে ইন্টারপ্রেট করেছেন, যেভাবে সওয়াল জবাব করেছেন বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্য, আর বাঁচার কোনো আশা নেই। আগামী 11ই নভেম্বর এবং 12ই নভেম্বর যদি শেষ না হয় 11 তারিখে, তাহলে এটার চূড়ান্ত শুনানি আছে এবং তারপরেই রায়দান। সুতরাং তার আগে একটু দেখে নেওয়াটা প্রয়োজন, আর লাইক শেয়ার করে অনেক মানুষের মধ্যে ছড়িয়ে দিন। ধন্যবাদ।
2024 my lord. No, my lord.
How will you come in this zone? You have not been participating.
We participated. Our result was declared belated stage. Our TET result was published by the board on the belated stage when selection was completed.
Whether I'm covered by it or not, I'm covered. My lord, this is the can where, my lord, I had my lord, that has to be incorporated in my can because that was not passed in my can. I've come with your lordship's order also. But I'm a trained candidate. My additional yes.
Similar order.
Yes. My lord, this is marked, if your lordship will excuse me. Director, copy director. My lord, I've got copies. That's right.
We are going to hear.
No, date of filing.
Only. What is your parent can?
Parent can by law 3, that is also
Can 3.
can 3. That is allowed.
Can 3
Is allowed.
No,
Studies দেখাতে হবে না।
Yes.
Then why you are mixed?
No. 4 21, 23 of 2024, that is not allowed.
Your can, which one you are appearing?
Well, 4 of 2024, 21 of 2024, 23 of 2024, 20 all can 24 of 2024.
By 4 o'clock we want the list along with the date of
affirmation. Yes.
Then only we will note your presence. Yes.
Lord.
Yes, who else?
My can numbers My lord, similar, my lord, I have filed 9 applications in connections with MAT 3858 1358, my lord. Now, party my expedition is spent.
So you give the list along with the date of affirmation at 4 o'clock.
But date of filing is there, my lord, I'll give.
You're given.
I'd rather date of filing. Within 1 minute, it will be written. I have the applications. Date of filing.
Your name.
Praveen Maji. Praveen Maji.
Yes.
My lord,
I'm ready.
I have 2 applications adopting the submission of Mr. Kobir and
You have already got your chance last time. You handed over, finished. Yes.
But item number six, can 69.
Same.
Yes.
You have got
And my lord, second thing is that my lord, already my lord, I handed over this my can application, my lord, all my can we were
it has not been
no
allowed.
my lord, but my lord, can 70's petition is pending before the single bench, my lord. So that's why I want to indicate can 70. Can 70 in respect of can 70, the applicant's petition is pending before the single bench.
Can 7 has been allowed or
No, not yet allowed. That's why, my lord, I want to indicate it. Can 70's petition number, that is WPA number 13871 of 2024.
so we can tag your submission with what Mr. Bhattacharya has said.
Yes, but the thing is that, my lord, now, my lord, accept can
70
yes, my lord.
No.
Yes, my lord, can 25.
of 25.
The 421 applicants is there, my lord. Their petition is pending before the single bench, my lord. The point, some of the point is there is create a resonating structure. That's why, my lord, I file this application, my lord, and I indicate all my can to this tabular chart, my lord. And the last occasion I handed over it also. Except can 70, my lord, it might.
Except 7.
There is no such, other applicants have no such petitions pending.
May I just indicate what are
They are the fresh applicant, my lord. This is the tabular chart of all my applicants.
70 does not have the petition pending.
70 have the petition pending.
The others don't.
Others no.
But only one submission since, I'm sorry.
where is it? Can 70?
Yes, my lord, there is there. Oh, 70.
Where have you stated that?
No, not yet, my lord, because today is my lord. That's why, my lord, I can hand it over it, my lord, the petition number by giving the petition number. Except can 70, others petition is not pending. That's my.
Except 70 other.
Other is the fresh applicant before this court, my lord.
Madam, may I just indicate?
Just
Yes, I'm sorry.
That's my instruction.
On the last occasion, Madam, I requested that the roll numbers of the applicants in Can 3, which was moved by Mr.
Can
Bhattacharya,
please,
may be supplied to us. My lord, we also wrote, no, it's 2, 3.
my-
for
they-
that. 3, Madam, we are talking about Can 3, Mr.
Can,
Bhattacharya.
I am appearing on can 2. I am not.
But Can
Why
3,
you appeared along with Mr.
Yes, but can 3 is not.
Keep the list.
Can 3 is not my Dibendu Chatterjee's matter, my lord.
That is not our concern.
Yes, sir.
Can roll numbers.
Yes, sir.
Madam, we have,
I
Madam,
have given. I have given.
না 2 তে দিয়েছিস তো এই
6,
আরে ফিদ্দ
That
সেটা
was
2 তে
in can.
2.
That was in give it to.
Yes,
Madam,
it's already
we
given.
are now Madam, the
Already given.
submissions were made from in Can 3.
Yes.
No, Madam, only one thing. In Can 3, why it is so necessary, we have definite information and appointment letters that 3 of the applicants are working as primary teachers. But Madam, we do not have the roll numbers. Madam, we need to point out to your lordship that how many.
They do not give it. We will record content.
Then my lord kindly record. Yes.
My lord, the thing is that, my lord,
Yes.
We don't want any further discussion, Mr.
Yes.
Sami. We want you to give the roll number of
yes,
those.
I will inform Mr. Chatterjee's, my lord, because that can.
Give it by 4
Yes, I inform. And my lord, another thing is that the submission is that if a person got appointed in a subsequent selection process, that does not debar him to
That our
giving the
submission
challenge
we
in the
will make.
earlier.
But that submission we will make, but that disclosure of
That's it.
but
Because he is entitled to get benefit from. I mean,
But you have not told us as to whether anybody has got appointment in the subsequent process or not.
That is not the subject matter in this,
Why will he submit? That one.
because my learned friend submits it.
He will submit many things. That's on
But my lord, the roll, only the roll numbers may be provided to us.
Before that, only Malad, your lordship, can record. Malad, just because Malad, the all the can.
the submission was otherwise.
Yes.
Said that on the date of the advertisement on 26 September, the extension period was already over prior to September.
That's what
So he
we,
says
yes.
that the persons who participated, correct us if we are wrong, persons who participated as state qualified teachers, in respect of them, those who came within from March to September, this period was a gap. So they cannot, they could not have availed the relaxation. So something that was.
Yes.
Yes. But I will,
Election period elapsed on the month of April, and thereafter the advertisement on the month of September. So in the interregnum period, there is no such relaxation.
That is what he
Yes,
said.
yes.
That was it.
so I have an answer to that also.
Now, what is the idea or Mr.
No, no.
Hussain or Mr.
Mr. Bhattacharya is placed the 2017.
বলবো ছটফট করছে।
Yes, yes.
Yes, Mr. Lokan.
So there is an additional submission to that also. Assuming there was a gap.
So you will go to that first. So
Oh, acha.
their argument, their
Yes.
contention was that all TED should get, that
Right.
all TED did not get the benefit.
Right.
This is other statement of theirs.
Right.
But you say that all of them got the benefit.
And that is recorded also. I'll place all those.
There is no prayer for cancellation of the recruitment process of 2016.
But the matter ends over there with respect. The standards charter does not apply. My learned friend Mr. Bhattacharya has found out standard charter. Standard chartered was a case which went before a special tribunal in a suit constituted under a special law. Yes. With the, well, your lordships will kindly take me, lord.
Mr. Dotto, you are saying if Rule 6.3 comply, then the court should not look into any other matter.
Right.
Why you are saying? Qualification they might have had,
Yes.
but the procedural formalities have not been followed.
With the
This classification, this panel, this publication. Then what is yours?
no, that those I'll take care. But I'll address your lordship on that. But please look into the relaxation aspect because
So relaxation not we understood that this MHRD relaxation is not an issue after 6.3 has been complied.
yes.
Yes.
So I skip over my lord that MHRT.
Yes. But Mr. Dotto, have you seen that circular which Mr. Bandyopadhyay referred to us? Compilation page 101. Date, yes, page it says to allow all untrained appointed up to 10th August 2007.
Yes.
That tallies with the date which is.
Yes.
So up to 10th August 2017, materials on record prove that the relaxation was there. So question of reopening that issue does not happen.
There are only two more paragraphs of this. Please have a look to the second page.
This
Milord, before going to that, Milord, may I, Milord, take up, Milord, the point of Mr. Bhattacharya on the issue of implicit pleading. Standard Chartered Bank.
that you told us.
Yes. Now, please have a look to the judgment once.
That was there, not their case.
Not the case.
He's answered the question of panel.
Yes. I'll come to that. I'll come to that, Milord. I'll not run away. I cannot run away.
Selection committee.
Yes. Therefore, Milord,
You have read the judgment, Mr. Dotto.
Milord, it is a judgment, Milord, with my with rest.
Argued about predisposition of the honor.
Yes. Yes.
We have taken note of.
Yes. No, but Milord,
We want your answer to the argument.
Milord, I'll answer the arguments, Milord. But my lord, whether, my lord, please consider one thing, my lord, whether the points which have been raised, we are all entitled to raise whatever points under the sky.
These have not been dealt with.
No, what I respectfully submit is, my lord, in the backdrop of the judgment, my lord, whether, my lord, these points can be raised so as to support this judgment.
Was that what more inquiry is required?
Yes.
Because there had been large scale corruption. Charge sheet was produced to show that there had been crores of money transaction. Facts are so explicit that whether for the end that truth should prevail. That was their argument. 165 applied, rightly applied. Truth should prevail. Court cannot on basic what should I say, technical inference, court should not be blocked from delivering a judgment to that effect, which may have the effect of cancellation of suit. That was in support of that Tripura High Court case was cited. Yes. So we have actually now they are ground of challenge. You have argued that scope of 165 you have argued.
Yes.
All of you have argued that in what circumstances this can be applied. You cannot be a prosecutor of your that has been argued.
Yes.
Their argument is see that it has not been the court has not acted as court has dependent on these materials which were brought on record by the board itself, and as such you should go into this without whether there was any systemic defect in the process or not.
Yes. Now, my lord,
But that your argument we have understood that not reading, you cannot mold the relief also. We want answers to this because Mr. Bhattacharya was stressing on the issue much that what has happened? Rule 8 not followed. Though prior approval of the state government as required under Rule 7. Why that is so?
Milord, first, Milord, Mr. Bhattacharya should support the judgment with the materials, whatever is there in the judgment. He is not an appellant over here.
I will keep my mouth closed and I will take this point.
No, I would say in the other way, the court is, Milord, shutting my.
That you have,
Yes.
you cannot
Court is shutting me by saying that you have not asked anything, therefore everything is sacrosanct. How did the court?
very good court for that and remedy is available. You cannot curse the judge. If suppose I commit a mistake, I make a statement here. You will say, my lord, you cannot record that because I have not said that.
Yes.
This is it.
Yes.
But I get annoyed. I say, Mr. Doctor, don't make further submission.
Right.
You will say, please record that statement.
Right.
There are plenty of ways, and you are a seasoned counsel, Mr. Doctor.
No, it's a different thing, Milord. Here, Milord, the example which my lords have been. My learned friends, clients should first make up their mind. Are they challenging Tech 14 or are they challenging the 2016 selection?
Put that question to me. He said that it is a two-phase selection.
No, it's not that. No. Please.
First is state, if you qualify, you apply for 2016. So, state 14 and the subsequent processes, according to Mr. Bhattacharya, could reflect from the records that the state proceeding and the subsequent was which identical plea was referred before the other division bench through which 26,000 different parties were. That was his argument. So now today, if you say that no, Espasu was only restricted to TET 2014, show us that because that you have not said in your affidavit in opposition. It's showing the free. Probably we will take it up on 12th also. 12th we will on 12th we will resolve
Malad 12.
whatever is to be done. We said
12.
we are taking in advance.
Malad in 12 Malad another fee. Mr. Bhattacharya's another matter is fixed on 12 Malad. And here AG also Malad Advocate General also be paid. Sir, SSC মামলাটা রাখলো যেটা রোল চ্যালেঞ্জের 12 তারিখ।
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya.
No, Mr.
Which court?
Court number 18. Court room number 18. By this challenge of a matter. Court room number 18. Honorable Justice Sinha. Honorable Justice Sinha on 12 Malad matter is fixed, where Mr. But Datta,
But this will be in the second half.
because if we, আপনার অসুবিধা তাহলে
Well, as per your lordship direction, well, I period.
Okay.